Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to mirror Netflix from iPhone to TV. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix. And after that, go to your favorite TV show or movie. Open it. So it will be open. And after that, as you can see on the top right of the screen, there is the casting icon. It's like a square with Wi-Fi signal on it. You have just to click on it like that. And here you have to select a device to play on. So on the same Wi-Fi, you should have your TV connected with your iPhone. And also you should have like good internet connection to do the casting. And another important thing that like when you do the casting, you should like not disconnect your phone from like the same Wi-Fi on of the TV. And also your TV should have like casting option, because if your TV don't have casting option, you can't do this and you can't mirror Netflix from iPhone to TV. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to